एनिमी ह्या कोंकणी सिनेमाच्या कलाकारांचो भोवमान केलो. ह्या सिनेमाक हालींच राष्ट्रीय पुरस्कार फावो जाला. फिल्म मेकर गिरीश कासाळवल्ली ह्या वेळार हाजीर आशिल्लो. गोंयान ह्या सिनेमाची तोखणाय जाल्या.
खंयच्याय फिल्माक जेन्ना अवॉर्ड मेळटा तेन्ना सगळ्या आनंद जाताच, पूण कोंकणी फिल्म आतां राष्ट्रीय पावंड्याचेर ताजी दखल घेतात हाजी आमकां खूब खोस आसा. तुमी सगळे जाणात कोंकणी फिल्मां पयलीं पुर्तुगेजा वेळार काडटाले तेन्ना ताका प्रोड्युसरी नासताले, कित्याक व्ह्युअरशीप नाशिल्ली आनी गोंया भायर वचपाची पॉसिबिलिटी नाशिल्ली. पूण आतां ल्हव ल्हव ज्या जाग्यार कोंकणी सिनेमाचें कल्चरूच नाशिल्लें थंय आतां ल्हव ल्हव फुडें सरपाक लागल्यात. नवे नवे विचार, नवी नवी स्टोरीज मुखार येतात. आतां अशी परिस्थिती आयल्या, एक काळार गोंयांत तियात्राक गर्दी पडटाली तशी गर्दी आतां सिनेमा खातीर जावपाक लागल्या. म्हणून थिएटरां लावपाचें सोडून रवींद्र भवनांत किंवा हेर कडेन लावपाक सोदतात. हाजोच आनी हांव जाणा मडगांवां रवींद्र भवनांत होम स्वीट होम दर्या किंवा आमची एनिमी हाजी पयलीं नाचुया कुंपासार हाऊसफुल तिकेटी मेळनात अशी परिस्थिती जाता.
I am very happy that these days Konkani films made in Goa are talking about their own people, their own problems and their own tradition. So far it's outsiders who are making films about Goa, but now the Goan filmmakers have started talking about themselves. Thereby they are creating a niche for themselves. See what happens when for so long, the Goan traditions, their culture were made fun of it. But here, it's not happening.
आयतारा स्पोर्टिंग क्लब आड आयजवाल FC मॅच ड्रॉ जाली. आयजवाल FC आता 21 मेक मोहन बागाना बरोबर गुवाहाटी फेडरेशन कपाची फायनल घेतली. आयजवाल FCच्या कॅप्टनाक रेड कार्ड दिला. कोच जहारदास म्हणटा रेफ्रीक मनीसपण ना. रेड कार्डाचेर स्पोर्टिंग क्लबाचो कोच म्हणटा प्लेयरांनी प्रोफेशनली खेळपाक जाय.
फेडरेशन कपाच्या आयतारा फातोड्ड्या मॅचीन स्पोर्टिंग क्लब आड आयझोल FC मॅच 2-2 ड्रॉ जाली. होम ग्राउंडार खेळटा आसतना स्पोर्टिंग क्लब फेडरेशन कपासावन भायर पडला. आयझोल FC फायनलीन पावल्या. ती मोहन बागाना वांगडा झुजतली. आयझोल FCच्या कॅप्टनाक रेड कार्ड दिला. तेका फायनली खेळपाक मेळचें ना. आयझोल FCचो कोच मॅच रेफ्रीचेर चाळवला.
Against Mohun Bagan, of course, I will have some sleepless night. Okay. Since the captain has been shown red card, the referee being an ISL referee, and he knows very well this is a semi-final match, and he knows also that Aizol is a new team. Reaching final needs the entire team, entire strength to be there against team like Mohun Bagan. All these things he is aware of. Even then, this red card should have been avoided. Yes, a caution is enough. A red card should have been avoided. Seeing that the same way, because referees also keep a track of players how they are playing. He is a winner of 4 best prizes in I-League, and he is one of the most upcoming player also playing for the first time I-League and first time Federation Cup. A referee also should be sometimes shows his humanity. Here he didn't find his humanity. I will not say he's a bad referee, but he lacks humanity. That also is necessary for a referee like him who has already played all top level tournaments.
स्पोर्टिंग क्लबाचो कोच मॅथ्यू कॉस्टा म्हणटा प्रोफेशनली खेळ्यार असल्यो रेड कार्डा सारक्यो गजाली उप्रासना.
What comments do you have for the red card that was issued to the captain of Aizol? The earlier coach said it was a bit harsh considering all things, saying that they would need all their strength for the Mohun Bagan game. What do you say?
But this is like how we went out on the away goal source. But there also, why the first thing he should have done that? It was a time wasting tactic, no? Even we got that same thing for the league once.
Yes.
It was just a time wasting tactic. So yes. It's not worth. You cannot the team going to the finals. It cannot be harsh on them. They should be more professionals, man. They should playing the game, no, not do unnecessary things and wasting their time. So referee saw it in a better way.
प्रुडंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर सावियो डायस.
हे खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंटाच्या वेबसायटीर लायव्ह पळोवंक मेळटात. नमस्कार.